Hi guys, Adam here with Village Winery Home Winemaking, and today is day 3 of the fermentation of the wine that we made with ingredients from our local grocery store. Let's take a look. As I like to do, I'm going to have a splash of something nice. Today, I'm going to have a small pour of the Barbera that's cold stabilizing in my stainless steel conical. Look at that. Now, let's pull it down from the shelf. Take a look at what's going on. Look at it go. It is roiling in there. Can you see the bubbles? The container's firm to the touch. A lot of pressure in there. Our balloon is standing up. All good signs. So what's happening right now is the yeast that we put into this jug yesterday is eating the sugar in our concentrates, and it's eating the sugar that we poured into the water. And when it eats the sugar, it releases carbon dioxide and alcohol. So right now on day 3, the yeast is already eating. It's turning that sugar into alcohol down here, and it's releasing carbon dioxide. And we know it's working because you can see the increased pressure in the headspace up here. As proven by the balloon standing up. So one more thing to check before you put it back on the shelf. Give the jug a light squeeze, find one of the holes that you poked, and give your wine a smell. So right now, this early in fermentation, all I'm really smelling is orange juice. But in a few days to a week, you're going to start smelling some alcohol. And that was the day 3 check-in for the wine that we made from ingredients at our local grocery store. Let me know in the comments if you're going along with the video. Let me know what your wine smells like, what it looks like, if it's coming out as well as ours is today, or maybe you're having a hard time. We can troubleshoot this. However well your wine's coming out, please, if you like what I'm doing, like my videos, subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and we'll see you at the next check-in.